Go down that way.
Go down. You're gonna get there way before me.
Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6.
Right. Good enough.
Don't you worry. Never fear.
I wasn't worried.
Christy's almost here.
I wasn't worried. I wasn't worried. Maybe I was worried a bit, but not really.
To the face, I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.
What is this place anyway? What is it? I don't know what it is. Oh, there's a Orman Manor restaurant. Nice. I bet that ain't what it always has been. I bet it used to be something cooler. Cooler. Noise. Probably some kind of Haitian home or something or other. Something cool or evil. Who knows? I like that fence. That's nice. That's real nice. Real nice fence. Fine. Particularly fine. Particularly.
Which way is we go? That's the way.